Are you a victim of gopher attacks? Well, we at Mountain Hardware have just the solution for you. Please take a look.
We have 5 sizes of heavy-duty basket to meet all of your planting needs, from the 1-quart mini up to the 15-gallon tree size. The 1-quart mini basket is easy to use and specially designed to protect the roots of small plants. The mini's half-inch hex mesh is vinyl coated for durability, yet is simple to form into shape and easy on your hands. Use this basket for small plants such as annuals, border plants, and herbs in 4-inch pots. The 1, 3, and 5-gallon baskets are made from 20-gauge, 3/4-inch hex mesh wire that is hot-dip galvanized after weaving for durable strength and corrosion resistance. The 1-gallon size is perfect for perennials, berries, and vegetables. The 3-gallon size is best for group planting annuals, perennials, and bulbs, or for allowing space for more root growth around individual plants or vegetables. The 5-gallon size is great for perennial shrubs, vines, and bushes. The 1, 3, and 5-gallon baskets provide excellent protection to keep gophers away from your plants for 6 to 10 years. First, pull open the top of the basket to loosely form a cylinder. Second, bend over the side seams to support the bottom of the basket. Next, flatten out the bottom like this. And last, finish rounding out the basket form. Now you're ready to dig your hole and plant your plant. Dig your hole just wide enough in diameter to accommodate the basket and deep enough to keep a few inches of the wire basket above ground. Then add enough soil to the bottom of the basket to support the plant at the correct height. Now center the plant root ball in the basket and fill in with soil around the plant. Be sure to fill any empty space. Lightly tamp the soil down, eliminating any air pockets. It may help to use a stick to pack the soil in and around the basket. Once your plant is in the ground, follow the standard plant care instructions.